Template is divided into three parts. We have the admin, we have the score sheet, and then we have the report sheet. So before you start using it, the first thing you need to do is to input the details of your school under the admin. So let's start doing that now. Start with the school name. Then after the school name, we input the address of the school. We input the subjects, mathematics, English, science. Then we input the CAs that will be taking the names of the CA, whether we are going to use CA or test, take the exams, and the score for each of those examinations. So you can decide to use CA, you can decide to use test. So you can see, and we got lots of marks for them. Then the next thing is for us to put the class. This is basic 4. Then the class teacher, the term, the session. They can go on to put the grade. The grades we'll be using for the school. So here we have 0 to 39, we have 40 to 49, and on and on. So excellent, very good, good, fair, and poor. I can decide to use A plus, A, B, C, and D. Then from there, we go to other qualitative attributes of the students: promptness, local reasoning, logical reasoning, relationship with others, and so on. Then we have a guide to our ratings. So we have A to be excellent, B to be very good, C to be good, D to be fair, and E will be weak. Likewise, we can decide to use 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for all those ratings instead of ABC. So from there, the next thing to do is to go to our score sheet to input the details of the students. So the next thing is to input the names of the students in the class. We have the names here, their sex, their ages. Then we can continue with the scores for the test and the exams taken by each student. So we are inputting the test scores. So once that is done, the next thing is to go ahead and produce the report sheet. How do we produce the report sheet? All we need to do is to move to the report card. You can see some other details already put there. So all we need to do is to just pick the name of the student. You can see. So once we pick the name, all the scores are inputted with the grades and the averages, the total score, the marks obtained, the marks obtainable, everything is recorded, everything is stated, the average score and everything. So what we need to do, any other thing we need to input there is the number of times school opened. So let's say 140, number of times present, let's say 130. The next time begins, third July. Then we can go ahead and do the other attributes of the student, like promptness, we pick logical reasoning, and on and on. So we have the class teacher's comment, we have the head of school comment. So the report card or the report sheet is built in such a way that all you need to do is to just pick the name of the student, and every other score will be inputted for you. Pick the name of the student, you can see every score will be inputted. All you need to do is to just input the number of times present and these other behavioral attributes of the students. Then you have the class teacher's comments and head of school comments. So it's so easy to use. You don't need to start calculating. So the next thing is to print out the report card. So you can go to print. can see the format of the podcast. So this is how the podcast is going to come out, and you have your report sheet printed with ease.